Welcome back everybody. Today we're talking about the other changes that's happened to the truck. If you remember from our last video, we changed a lot inside the cabin. And this really messed up the front of the truck. The new differential needed space. The hood of the truck needed to be raised 6 inches just so our truck doesn't look weird. All the tubing was getting in the way of the tires being able to turn properly. So what did we do to fix this? We ripped apart everything and started from scratch.
We completely redid the front bulkhead. This is what it came with. You know, it's just one thing, this truck. With a new front diff, the tubes just weren't in the right places to mount it properly. The steering rack originally mounted, we couldn't use that. It's just easier to start from scratch. Build a nice strong chromoly square frame and we can put anything we want wherever we want. So off this came. After that was the front bumper. Well, that's not the same location anymore. The hood for the FiberwerX body is way bigger, which is awesome. We might recycle this and mount it where the new bumper is going to be. FiberwerX body, I can continue this frame on so that we can secure the hood, the front bumper, and all of that stuff. There was a lot up in the air until we knew we were going to commit to that body as far as where the boundaries of the frame was going to be. So nothing but work left.
So on this side, you can see we made a new lower control arm, and the old one that was here, we moved to the top. So the original fiberglass that came with this project was a trophy cart kit from FiberwerX. And as you know, it was originally made to resemble a Ford Raptor. And we love the idea of a Raptor, which is lucky for us because FiberwerX also makes a full body kit for Can-Am Maverick X3s. This new kit will fit our chassis now that we've stretched everything. We reached out to them during the holidays and they were able to send us the only one left.
Only like 2 inches off of what the body was designed for, the Can-Am being like a 102-inch wheelbase or something close to that. One thing's for sure, with this new fiberglass body from FiberwerX, our truck's gonna look good. We put a link to their website below, go check them out.
As for the suspension, we really had no intention of changing it. Kind of living by the philosophy of if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And if you're considering how many days we have left, we don't have time at all. But we were presented with an opportunity.
On the ground here, the car came with, and these are the Holtz racing axles. That much longer. So original hub location, new hub location. You can see where we're at here. I have this kind of mocked up as far as where the new hub location is going to be, and we have some plasma cut parts coming that I've catted out. It should work out pretty flawlessly. This was the lower, this was the upper, and the shock came through the middle. Well, we don't have room for that kind of stuff with what we have set up, so we were able to recycle lower. I turned it into the new upper. We had some square tubing laying around, so fabbed up a new lower steering rack from CarTech. It's about where it'll be mounted. We're going to the rear steer, and it's gonna work awesome. This thing is beautiful.
Now we get it. It's not as pretty as HCR's long travel kit, but they'll do the job and still give us about 20 inches of travel front and rear. But if HCR wants to email us about helping out, 10 minutes left on the card. We got this, guys.
Like we were explaining, this being more like the Speed UTV's rear trailing arms. We're not using radius rods, so this will fall off if you don't attach it properly. Using duct tape instead of painter's tape. Can you weld?
Now for those of you who are following the release of Robbie Gordon's Speed UTVs, it's a lot like their rear suspension, so we're not inventing something new here. Now if you're thinking that's a lot of work, check out last week's video on the work we've already done, or watch the whole series. See how everything's changed as each video has progressed. We'll see you in the next one. Oh,